Sometimes we stop by this building and just do a walkthrough. Not to shoot it, just to kind of check the condition of it. We shot here in, I think it was 2014. I'll have to check my files on that. And it was a really great shoot. We had come out here, I think it was right after we arrived. So we were both kind of tired, but we shot until about 2 in the morning. This is right near the Mojave wind turbines, or the wind farms. You can see the building is, you know, really deteriorating. I mean, it's just falling apart. Steve's out back checking things out behind. So tonight we are heading to, we're going to check out 3 locations. This one here, there's an old kind of like restaurant, gas station, fakey thing that we're going to look at down the road. We'd like to check out occasionally. And then we're going to head down to shoot the front end of an airplane nose cone, which is on a street corner outside of Lancaster. I think it might be in Palmdale. And then after that, we're gonna shoot some old stone structures, and then we're gonna head to LA, and in the morning, we both fly back to our respective states. So that's the end of this trip. But I always like stopping around Mojave because there's so much to look at here. To give you a view of some of the things that I'm seeing. It's sunset now. I don't know if you can really tell with the camera or not, but it's starting to get a little dark. So probably at the end of being able to take videos today. Look at this though. Pretty nice, right?
Oh, they're the ones sweeping it so we can reach around.
Nice.
You think?
Probably.
Is that boat still down there?
The boat's still there, yeah. Oh, you mean in there? No, the boat's outside.
No, that was like a
different boat?
yeah, that was like a paddle boat.
You know, I didn't see a boat when I walked down there. This area looks a little different. Maybe more collapsed in. Yeah. Burning some wood here. You would think that this place would have been knocked down a long time ago.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah. We never did a lot. I didn't do any shooting in here, really.
I did a little bit, but not.
Did you?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's pretty well graffitied.